Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. We're throwing it back to old school Mariah. Back in the day, I used to always do like crazy colored hair tutorials, how I achieved it. So I kind of gave you guys a little tutorial. I thought it would be fun. You know, I'm going through a breakup and I just was like, I want to do something different. It's summer, let's do something. And I decided to do this. It definitely turned out a little bit more green than I had like anticipated, but I like it for now. I'm sure I'll change it in the next few months. Might go to like a lighter blue and make it come up a little higher. We'll see. But for now, this is like a fun little change, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I achieved it. It was really simple. You know, do-it-yourself ombre slash do-it-yourself ombre.
Just now, I'm gagging at the fact that I'm filming with horrible lighting, but this is what we're working with, so Coco, get it. You know, this is so me to do my hair in my bathroom and do it myself, and to film it. And as many of you guys know, I'm going through a breakup. What's better than switching up the hair for breakup? So I got the Pravana Pure Light Power Lightener with 30 volume developer. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna go like a teal, but like a vibrant teal, not too dark, not too light, just the perfect amount. So I think I'm gonna leave my roots like natural, try to leave my roots out and try to make it as even as possible, because ombreing yourself isn't easy. So I'm gonna mix up equal parts. 1 part bleach, 1 part lightener, take off. Natural lighting to see how we are processing. It looks just like a caramel brown right now, but that's pretty good. Like, I'm impressed that it even lifts that much, because I've been coloring it jet black, boxed color. I've been coloring it like that since November, since I got back from Connecticut. So it's been like 8 months, and I haven't done it like religiously. And it faded out fast because I already had like this ombre look going on before, when I had the pink hair and the blonde hair about a year ago. So yeah, I think that's why it's like lifting in those spots really well. But you can see where the black has like, see there's like bleach in there, and that's where like the black has definitely been applied. And do you see how it's like not lifting? So I think the areas that are lifting are basically just the already, I guess they're like this, the already pre-lightened areas. But I'm cool. Like, I don't really want, you know, right now to do completely blue and be like, I want to keep my roots dark. So however it turns out, I'm just like, I just need to change, you know, break up, gotta do something different. Okay, so this is freshly washed. This is the color we have going on, with some blondish areas, brassy tones, and obviously it's wet, so it'll lighten up when it dries. But this is what we have, and it's perfect. It's gonna be awesome. This is my hair dry. It's kind of like this reddish blonde, but it lifted perfectly. Like, I don't have to color or lift it anymore. I'm just gonna put the color right over, and I think we're gonna have a nice like fade. I mean, for doing this myself, like, might be a little bit, you know, jagged, but I think the blend will be fine. show you guys the back. Hard to see, but now we're gonna go do the little formula for the color and then put it on, and we are gonna have some fun. I feel like I really need to apologize for this lighting continuously, but now it's time to put in. I've never used these, but they stood out to me. So this is by Paul Mitchell. It's the Pop XG, and I got tropical blue and then some green. And so I don't know, I thought maybe I would do half and half and then a little bit of conditioner and whip it up, and I think it'll be a pretty cool color. I think if I don't put some conditioner in it, it'll be too vibrant. So let's see, let's mix it up. Vibrant semi-premium cream color. All right, so yeah, we'll definitely need some conditioner. This is a really pretty green. Stuff smells pretty good. All right, let's see how this part goes. So I've had this in 40 minutes and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I cannot wait to rinse it out. I'm gonna leave it in for a total of an hour, but oh my god, I'm so excited for it to be washed and dry because it is the perfect teal. Best breakup revenge, having bomb hair. I get my lashes done, not tomorrow, Wednesday, and your girl's gonna be looking fly. So this is it, washed. I love it. It is so pretty, and it's wet, so obviously, and the sun is setting, so obviously it's a little darker, but we're gonna dry it. I'm gonna dry it with some product in it. It looks really healthy, not too damaged or anything. Which I mean, I haven't been coloring my hair, so I didn't expect it to be too damaged, but okay, so we're gonna go blow dry and then style, and I'll come back and show you guys the final result in better lighting. Wanted to show you guys in the best lighting my hair, so I love it. You know, I might climb it a little higher in the future, but for now, this is what we have. I just think the blend is nice, and I think it's just gonna be fun for summer. And kind of just wear it however I usually